Hey y'all, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Sensational Butta Lace Unit 5 in the color T4 Golden Brown. You guys, this unit comes in a variety of colors. I absolutely love the curl pattern of this unit. The like ombre brown into the light brown is everything. It has about 5 inches of parting space in the middle, baby hairs, soft lace. It has a comb in the back with 2 adjustable straps, and it also has 2 combs at the front. I usually take those out, but right off the bat, you guys, this wig is big head friendly, definitely big head friendly. I am really feeling these curls, y'all. This wig has ear-to-ear lace. As you can see here, that lace is looking really nice. And it's not like hard lace or anything like that. It's pretty soft. So now I'm just going to clip this hair back so I can start molding my hair down. Molding the lace down, rather. I forgot that I had bobby pins in from my other wig. Making sure it's snug. That parting space is really, really good. You don't have to pluck anything. I did pluck a little bit though off camera after I filmed this video. I went in and plucked a little bit. Not a whole lot, but just a little bit. You don't have to though. That hairline is really nice. So here I'm just gonna cut the wig into, I cut it in 3 sections. You really only have to cut it in 2 sections. I don't know why I cut it in the middle. But if you choose to cut it this way, it does give you a bit more extra like space to help you like, cut the lace. It doesn't make it as, you know, long in the front as if you were just to cut it on both sides. So breaking it up into smaller sections is, you know, is better. It's better for me, especially since, you know, I'm not a pro at this. I'm a novice. But here I'm just using my Eben lace spray and put it on my hairline. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer on the cool setting. I actually go between cool and hot, but I use my cool setting right now to make sure that the lace spray is tacky. And then I'm going to place the wig where I have put the lace spray, which is in front of my real hairline. I'm making sure that it's molding down the way that it needs to mold. I'm not going to secure the sides because ain't nobody gonna see the sides of my hair. So I'm just mainly focusing on the front middle portion. So now I'm going to take my edge band and I'm going to put it on my edges so it can help mold the hairline down better or a more secure fit. It takes me a little minute because I try not to get the other hair tangled up in that Velcro. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Gotta take my ears from out under that band because that band, when it's tight, it can It can hurt your ears. So now I'm removing the clips, and I'm going to frame the hair to my face. Trying to see how I want to cut it. I didn't cut too much, but I cut just enough to where I felt like it framed my face nicely. So here I'm just starting in the front, and then eventually I'm going to end up, I should have cut that the other way, but I'm going to end up cutting it all around the bottom. Looking back at this now, I'm like, there's a little strand right here, Michelle. Like, why didn't you get that? But it all comes together in the end. So now I'm just fluffing it out to see how it looks. And now I'm about to take all of my hair and bring it to the front to see how short I want it to be all around. I'm even contemplating if I want to cut it, which, you know, you honestly don't have to, but me, when it comes to the curly units like this, I don't care for it being on my neck. Well, like on my shoulders and on my back all the time. Now, some curly units I leave as is. You know, they're just long. That's just, it is what it is. But units like this that I'm going to want to wear every day, because I turn this into like an everyday wig, I try to cut it into a manageable length. A realistic length at that. Because I'm pretty sure, I mean, me walking around with a 28-inch curly bust down unit every day, it's just not ideal. So now I've cut them. I'm going to use my Lotta Body foam and mousse, and I'm going to put it on the top of my hair to kind of flatten it out a little bit. Now it's time to take the edge band off, and as you can see, my hairline is secure. I'm going to take this eyebrow razor. You can take scissors, but just for right now, I just took this eyebrow razor, and I'm going to cut the lace off. Now, as you guys can see, like in the middle part, I could have definitely went in and plucked a little bit in that hairline, but I didn't, and that's okay though. The hairline still looked realistic to me, even though I didn't go in and pluck it as much as I could have. And for me, you know, as long as it looks realistic to me, that's all that matters. I'm trying to make sure I don't actually cut off my real edges. I'm gonna have to clip it back a little bit more because I'm gonna have to cut near my ear to make the wig lay a bit better on the side. Now here you see I'm gonna have to cut a little bit of the hair out, but that's normal because you want your wig to lay right on the sides of your face. You don't want them to be like floppy and hanging over your ear and stuff like that. You want it to be able to fit around your ear. Trying to see if I want to cut that or not, but I'm just going to leave it. And I'm going to take my Ebin Lace Melt Spray. This was the first time me using this, and so I didn't use it. I don't think I used it the right way. I don't know if this melt spray made a difference for this install. This was my first time using it, so it is what it is. It turned out how I wanted to, though, in the end, so that's all that matters. Taking a little alcohol, which that mess was stinking. I was like, I'm not going to do that again. Just to kind of like clean up a little bit. But I definitely learned my lesson after I did that because my skin got kind of irritated. But here I'm using some spray just to mold down the lace a little bit more. And now I'm finna fluff it out. There's a little piece of lace. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's how good the lace is. You can't really see it. There is a little piece though that I'm going to cut because I'm not gonna leave it. I was gonna leave it at first. I was gonna be lazy and leave it, but I was like, nah, I can't do that. So now I'm going in with my H.E.R powder. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the front. Just to kind of blend it in a little bit better. Secure check, as y'all can tell, or as y'all can see, is secure. And y'all, that's it. I absolutely love this unit. I have it in another color, Flamboyage Mocha. I'm gonna definitely try that one on, and we're gonna install it together soon. But I had to also throw on my Boss Lady glasses to see how it would look, how my curly hair and big frames just always go together for me. It's just always a look. But anyways, y'all, thanks for watching, and until next time, love ya. Bye.